Earlier this month, Yamaha gave us our first look at the all-new XT-R models for select proven off-road 2020 ATV and side-by-side vehicles. Said to offer superior capability, comfort, and confidence through a variety of terrain, the new XT-R models come with upgraded tires, a WARN winch, the all-new titanium bronze and tactical black color schemes, and more. Yamaha's 2020 XT-R editions include the recreationally focused Wolverine X2 and X4, the Grizzly, and the Pure Sport YXZ 1000R Sport Shift. According to Steve Nessel, Yamaha Motorsports marketing manager, Yamaha is stepping up their proven off-road lineup this year, taking trail performance and showroom appeal to the next level. The Grizzly 700 has been a favorite big bore 4x4 ATV among our staff since its inception. Due to its good power, 2- and 4-wheel drive system with lockable front differential, good all-around suspension, and relatively light and nimble handling. The 2020 Grizzly XT-R claims to bring even more riding exhilaration thanks to its potent and proven 700 class engine, superior E-coated chassis running Yamaha-exclusive 27-inch Maxxis Zilla tires, roomy ergonomics, advanced electronics, and stylish XT-R edition painted bodywork. The 2020 Grizzly XT-R includes a factory-installed WARN Pro Vantage 2,500-pound winch and is pre-wired for the Yamaha Adventure Pro GPS, furthering one's off-road excursions on an ATV. It is also equipped with Yamaha's standard real-world tech, including an Ultramatic automatic transmission, on-command 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive system, and EPS. The 2020 Grizzly XT-R will be available at Yamaha dealers this fall in the all-new titanium bronze and tactical black color schemes. The MSRP will be $10,999. All of those XT-R edition Yamahas look maximum cool.